Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Peppermint Crinkles. This is Anne. Monthly buy-by products for the month of May and June. So here are the products that I used up. Alcohol. Yeah, I carry this in my bag, my purse. So this is Bath and Body Works Holiday Traditions Vanilla Bean Noel. I love it. I love the scent of vanilla. It's not too strong vanilla. It's a mild light vanilla, and I love the green as well. It's beautiful. When this will be going to introduce again on their holiday edition, definitely I'm going to buy it. Coffin Pad. This is, for my contact lenses. I love this product. This is Mary Kay foundation. I love this foundation. It has that kind of peachy undertone in it. I don't know if the camera could pick up that name, but I really love it. This one is in ivory, 200. Nivea, love it. This is Skin Food Salmon Brightening Eye Cream, which I don't know if the camera could pick up that name, but I love it. Definitely going to purchase this. It has this beautiful brightening effect on it. I use this before I put on my primer, after my moisturizer in the morning and in the evening, and it is very effective. It brightens up my under eye. Do apologize for that dog. It's barking. It's crazy. Every single night, so I do apologize. Just ignore it. This is Tarte Amazonian Clay Double Detox Facial. Just a sample size. I'm not going to buy it. My skin is very sensitive to facial washes, facial wash and facial scrub. It's really very sensitive, so I'm not going to buy this anymore. And finally, I used up this Rimmel Glam Eyes Quad in Sun Safari. Now, this one right here, as you can see, there's still more of it, but it's really a little bit funky. If the camera could take that. Yeah, sorry for the screaming. So that's that. Definitely going to repurchase this again, but I don't know if they're going to, if this is still on their permanent line or they have discontinued it, but I've seen they have, so I don't know. Anyways, that is it guys. Thank you very much for watching. That's the monthly buy-by products for the month of May and June. See you again later. Bye bye.